This is Mama Niche, and today in the Magic Kitchen, chili. Fuck yes! We're starting the fall soup series with a perennial favorite. I love chili. Honestly, I have a history of overeating it because I love it so much. I really loved the way my momster made it, but like everything else she cooked, there was no written recipe. I do my best to replicate it and now provide a recipe complete with a list of ingredients and measurements. But honestly, you might like it spicier or not as spicy. Make adjustments. You might like it with lots of beans or no beans. Your choice, friends. The pure Texas-style chili has no beans. The origin of chili has roots in the American West, particularly the state of Texas. An old legend holds that immigrants from the Canary Islands brought a recipe for chili with them when they settled San Antonio in the early 1700s, and the modern dish that we know as chili or chili con carne, chili with meat, was born. Chili peppers are believed to have originated somewhere in Central or South America and were first cultivated in Mexico. After the Columbian Exchange, many cultivars of chili peppers spread around the world, used for both food and traditional medicine. All cattle drives had chili as a chuck wagon staple since the native peppers and onions were abundant along the trails. But the beef was too valuable, so beans gave the dish extra protein. Purists argue that if it was meant to have beans, it would be called chili con frijoles. What the fuck ever. I'm not here to fuel that fire. My chili has beans in it because that's what I grew up with. My mom served it over white rice with shredded cheese, sour cream, and diced onions. I had jalapenos too. I love food with a kick. Some people have it over noodles. Some have it just in a bowl without anything else. But let's not argue over how to eat something as delicious as chili. You do you, boo, and let Mama Niche make your kitchen magic.
My smells good in here, doesn't it? You know it's fall. I make the chili. What is it about chili that just makes you feel all warm and awesome inside, man? Look at see. Yum.